Hello everyone, welcome back. Friends, today we are diving into a world of creativity, sustainability and style. A world where fashion meets recycling and design meets imagination. Yes, you guessed it. Today it's all about handmade denim handbag. Think about it. How many of us have old jeans lying around, tucked away in a corner unused? What if I told you that those very jeans could be reborn as a stylish, strong, and one of a kind handbags that is not just craft, it's a movement, a lifestyle, and a statement. Let's take a trip into the art of denim handbag. Denim is more than just fabric, it's a history, culture, and resilience stitched together from all over the world. For over 100 years, denim has been worn by workers, travelers, artists, and dreamers. It never fades from fashion. Even when jeans wear out, the fabric itself holds strength, beauty, and memories. When you turn denim into a handbag, you are not just crafting, you are recycling a story. That faded patch, it carries laughter. That fried edge, it carries adventure. That pocket, maybe it once carried dreams. Handmade denim handbags are not simply accessories, they are a way of honoring the past while creating something new for the future. In a world of fast fashion, handmade items are treasure. A handmade denim handbag carries time, effort, and love. Every stitch is intentional, every design has a personal touch. Unlike factory made products, no two handmade denim bags are the same. Some may have patches of embroidery, others may carry beads or sequins. Some may be small clutches, other big tote bags. Even each one has its own identity because it's made you, just like its creator. And let's be honest, don't we all want something unique? Something that isn't mass produced but feels truly ours. That's the beauty of handmade denim handbags. Now let's talk fashion. Denim is versatile, is good with almost everything. A denim handbag can be casual enough for daily use, but chic enough to carry at gathering. Pair it with jeans, dresses, or even formal wear. It always finds a way to blend in while standing out. Imagine a denim tote with floral embroidery, perfect for shopping trips, a denim sling bag with beads, perfect for college or casual outings, or a structured denim handbag with leather handles, perfect for an office look. The possibilities are endless. Handmade denim bags are not just accessories, they are statement pieces that say, I care about fashion, but I also care about the planet. And here comes the best part, sustainability. Every denim handbag is a small step towards saving the earth by reusing old jeans. We reduce waste, cut down on pollution, and bring new life to fabric that might otherwise be thrown away. Fashion today is about responsibility. People no longer want just pretty things. They want meaningful things. Owning a handmade denim handbag means you are not just following trends, you are shaping the future of fashion. You are part of a movement that says recycle, recreate, and reinvent. If you like this video, so next time you hold a denim bag, remember it's not just a bag, it's a contribution to a greener planet.